Alright, so using again similar problem, so we will get 3x squared plus 2x minus 8 equals 0 using the trial and error method to get the factors of the given quadratic equation. So I will get now the standard form of this equation so that we can already proceed to trial and error method. So we have 3x squared plus 2x minus 8 equals 0. So what do we mean by trial and error method? So this time you are going to get the factors of 3x and factors of negative 8. And make sure if you are going to multiply the outside and inner term or the sum of the outside term and the inner term, it will result to positive 2x. Alright, now let's try factors of 3x. So let's put it in open and close parentheses. So we only have one pair of factors of 3x squared. So we have 3x times x. Okay, next. Factor of negative 8, we have negative 4 positive 2. You can also have, this is trial number 1. Trial 1. You can also have 3x plus 4 times x minus 2. So still, 4 times negative 2, we have negative 8. Another, trial number 3. Trial number 2, trial number 3, you can also have 8 and 1. So we have positive, negative. Trial number 3. So again, you can still look for many trials as long as it has the factors of negative 8. Now, let's check this trial number 3. As you can see, we have the first term times the first term, 3x times 3x times x, it gives you 3x squared. And then the last term, it gives you positive times negative 1. We have negative 8. So the only problem is for your middle term. So let's see, 8x, then 3x times negative 1, so negative 3x. So if we are going to add the 2, it will gives you positive 5x. So still, this one is not equivalent or not the same with our equation. Okay, so trial number 3 is wrong. Next, trial number 2. So for trial number 2, still 3x times x, it gives you 3x squared. Alright. Then, 4 times negative 2, it gives you negative 8. So the only problem is for you to check the middle term, 4x. So we just write it here. So 4x, then 3x times negative 2, we have negative 6x. Now, to add the 2, 4x minus 6x, so it will gives you negative 2x. So again, this is not the same with the middle term in our original equation. So let's try. So trial number 2 is wrong. Let's try trial number 1. So we have negative 4x. So let's see. Negative 4x, then 3x times 2, we have positive 6x. So therefore, negative 4x plus 6x, it will gives you 2x. So therefore, we have or we got already the middle term. So, trial number 1 is your factor. Okay. Now, since we have already find the factors 3x minus 4 times x plus 2 equals 0, you can already proceed to zero product property, which is 3x minus 4 equals 0, and then the other one, x plus 2 equals 0. So we have x equals negative 2, and then 3x equals 4. Divide both sides by 3. X is equal to 4 over 3. Alright. So, which solution do you think easier for you? So, this is solution number 2. And the other one is the solution number 1, the longer method or the easy method. So, just choose the among them.